In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a virtual credit card on Wise. A virtual card is a convenient tool that enhances your online shopping experience by providing you with a secure way to make payments without needing a physical card. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part clearly so that you can get your virtual credit card quickly and easily. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wise account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as you'll be entering your username and password on the login page. If you're on a personal computer, you might have your username and password saved automatically, which can speed up this process. Once you're logged in, you should be on the Wise dashboard, where you can see an overview of your accounts and balances. Familiarize yourself with this dashboard, as it's a central spot for managing your finances. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the page, or if you're on a mobile device, look for the menu or navigation bar. Here you'll find several tabs that help navigate through different services offered by Wise. For our purpose today, click on the Cards tab. This is a crucial step since everything related to your Wise cards will be managed here. Once you have clicked on the Cards tab, take a moment to explore this section if you are unfamiliar with it. This section includes options to manage your existing cards and allows you to order new ones. Focus on the option that says Order a new card. This option might stand out with a button or be highlighted among other features. Click on it, and you will be presented with options on the type of card you might want to order. Since we are interested in obtaining a virtual credit card today, be sure to choose the digital option. This tells Wise that you want a virtual card instead of a physical one, which you have to wait for delivery. A virtual card can be generated instantly, providing an immediate way to make online purchases. Once you select the digital option, Wise will process your request and generate your virtual card in a matter of moments. The beauty of a virtual card lies in its immediacy. It will be ready to use right away, allowing you to make secure online transactions almost instantly. Now you have your virtual card, keep in mind this tool is designed to offer added security and convenience for your online dealings. I recommend using this card for your e-commerce transactions to prevent unauthorized access to your other financial information. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on obtaining a virtual credit card on Wise. Hopefully, these steps are clear and help you in managing your online purchases with ease and security. Happy shopping, and see you in the next tutorial.